So, Perpetual at saka Arellano, no? So, yung laro kahapon. So, yung Perpetual at saka Arellano, parang game of adjustments yon. Nag-a-adjust yung dalawang coach. Pero alam naman natin na kung point guard ka, kagaya ni Olsen Rosella, coach on the floor, I mean, kung nag-small yung kalaban, you got to counter with your size. Kasi, ganun din yon. Pag paano i-counter yung size mo, it's with speed. So, kailangan, yun na nga yun. Pag nag-small yon, minsan kasi match up ka, sasabay ka na lang. Yun ang ginawa ni Coach Olsen, sumabay siya kahit na problema siya. So, yun yung sinasabi, you learned every game. Yun yung sinabi ni Coach Olsen, which is the theme of this game. May matututunan ka every game. Coaches na yon, ibig sabihin si Coach Olsen matagal naglaro, nag-national team pa yan. Matagal siyang PBA player. Pero as a coach of Perpetual Altas, marami pa siyang natututunan. So, yun na yun eh. Yun yung, hindi lang sa basketball yan, sa buhay din yan. We should be lifelong learners. Kaya nga. Habang naglalaro ka, habang nagko-coach ka, may natututunan ka at gumagaling ka pa dapat. Definitely yun lang yun. Game of adjustments, size versus speed, no? Lalo na yung Timac Ongotan, hindi ka pwedeng mag-dribble sa harapan nun kasi susundutan ka. Yun ang specialty nun eh. I mean, players nowadays, sinasadya nyo na mag-dribble sa harapan ng kalaban. That's why, ang pinaka-importante at pinaka-fundamental move sa basketball, I think, triple threat possession because you could protect the ball. Kasi pa nagdi-dribble ka and kung medyo mabilis yung kamay o mahaba yung kamay ng gwardya, masusundot niya yun. And deflection is the most important part of defense. Kasi pag natapik mo yun, nadidislodge mo yung nagugulo mo yung offensive pattern. So, triple threat. Kasi kaya mo, you protect the ball with your body, then you read the defense kung anong gagawin sa'yo. Yung crossover is just your secondary move. Kasi, pag nag-reach yung kalaban mo with the triple threat position, chances are 9 out of 10 times, foul yun. Kasi tatamaan dun yung braso mo, yung kamay mo eh. So, yun lang po.